Okay, hi guys. Today's lesson is how do we use a quadratic equation with imaginary number? And if you remember what imaginary number was, it's we get that letter I, and the reason why we get that is because inside the square root we have negative sign, all right, particularly -1, right? But mainly to take this negative sign out, we just change it for the letter I, all right, and that's all we do. So today, all your inside square root numbers should be negative. So let's start this problem. This is the first problem of the worksheet. Let's see. So this is my A number, this is my B number, and then my C number. All right, so that should be easy. 2, 4, and 5. So A equals 2, B equals 4, and C equals 5. All right, so let's put our numbers in. Let's see. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parentheses. So again, try to draw this every time. So I'm going to put 4 plus minus square root 4 minus 4 times A, which is 2, and then 5, and then I have 2 in the bottom. Okay, so let's clean this up. Oops. Okay, let's clean that up. I'm going to get x equals -4 plus minus square root. Now I'm going to go to my calculator, enter that in. Okay, let's clear this out. Parentheses 4 squared minus, not negative, minus 4, parentheses 2, close parentheses, parentheses 5, close parentheses, and I get -24. Right, so -24 over 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, so go to your side and figure out what makes -24, okay? Alright, first of all, you can just, alright, so it's going to be -24. And you know, in order for you guys to take that negative sign out, I'm just going to put the I in front and make this +24, okay? So don't forget your front number is going to have an I in it. Alright, so break this apart. 24 is 12 and 2, and 12 is 4 and 3, and then 4 is 2 and 2. Okay, cross out the numbers you don't need, the 4, the 12, and the 24. Okay, here's my square root. Okay, we have a 2 couple here, so put the 2 outside. The 3 and the 2 are lonely, so 3 2, and this becomes 2 square root 3 times 2 is 6. So I'm going to change this for this. Okay, so it's going to rewrite as -4 plus minus. Okay, so this is 2, so I'm going to put 2i, because remember that I we had, so it's going to be 2i square root 6. Okay, doesn't really matter if you put the I in the front, it just looks better, just like it's just like saying 2x instead of x times 2. All right, so just replace that with this, and then this 4, remember we're going to duplicate it, so it's going to go in 2 spots. Okay, so you're going to get the 4 right here, and you're going to get the 4 right here. All right, so I get duplicated. Let's fix this up. Okay, x equals -4 over 4. That's going to give you -1 in the calculator, plus minus. Now in the calculator, you don't really care about this part. Okay, this part is like a variable, right? So, and then you're just going to put 2 divided by 4 in the calculator. If you put 2 divided by 4 in the calculator, you're going to get 1 over 2. All right, and then just copy whatever's left over. The I to square root 6. Okay, you can also write the answer like this. X equals -1 plus minus I square root 6 over 2. Both of it is correct. I'll take both answers. Just know that you can write it in 2 different ways. All right, see you guys tomorrow.